that beat so you know what's going on. Here we go.